In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Pareto chart in Google Sheets. To begin, make sure you already have a dataset you can use. A Pareto chart needs categories and a frequency count, plus a cumulative percentage. It also helps if your data is already arranged in a simple table with headers, because Google Sheets will detect the labels automatically when you build the chart. Once your data is ready, select the full range you want to chart. In this example, you will highlight the block that includes your headers and the columns for category, frequency, and cumulative percent. Take a moment to confirm you included the header row, because that is what lets the chart show proper series names like frequency and cumulative percent. With the data highlighted, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically, and the chart editor will open on the right side. Now you will turn this into a proper Pareto chart. In the chart editor, set the chart type to Combo Chart. A Pareto chart is a combination of bars and a line, so the combo chart is the correct base. For the frequency series, set it to a bar chart so each category displays as a bar. For the cumulative percent series, set it to a line chart so you can clearly see the running total trend across categories. Next, make sure the cumulative percentage uses the right axis. In the series settings, check Use Right Axis for cumulative percent. This is important because your frequencies might be raw counts, while cumulative percent needs to be measured on a 0 to 100% scale. Using the right axis keeps both series readable. After the structure is correct, move to Customize in the chart editor, then open Series. Select the cumulative percent line and change its color to red so it stands out from the bars. Then increase the line thickness to around 3 to 4 pixels. This small visual tweak makes the Pareto line easier to follow at a glance. You will also see other customization sections like chart style, chart and axis titles, and grid lines and ticks. These are available if you need them, but the key changes are the combo chart setup, the bar and line series choices, and placing the cumulative percent on the right axis. That covers everything you need to know.